Alright, so this is an unboxing of the Dell UltraSharp 24-inch monitor. And the model number of this is U2417h. And this monitor here is what I hope to be able to do some image editing on for my landscape photography. As this monitor here, which is the AOC 2476, I believe it is, has some pretty severe backlight bleeding, and that's the AOC monitor, not this Dell, hopefully. So here we have the factory color calibration spec sheet. Hopefully it's color calibrated alright out of the box, because I do not have any calibrator to do that with. So this looks like, yes, this looks like the what is this? I believe this is the DisplayPort cable. I'd never seen a DisplayPort, so I never used one. This would be my very first time using one. So I believe that's what that is. This here is just the power cord. And this here is to... This looks like the DisplayPort. It's a miniature DisplayPort to DisplayPort. So miniature end and the regular DisplayPort end. And yeah, like I was saying, my first time using DisplayPort, switching over from HDMI. This is some drivers. If anybody's watching this, you should never use these drivers. You should always just go get them online. If you even have to use them. You probably won't. Now, this here looks like the stand. Trying to do this with one hand is pretty tough. So yes, this is the stand. Hopefully it's sturdier than the stand on my AOC monitor. And this is just the other piece of the stand. There that is. Looks pretty sleek, even with the Dell logo. Not too big of a fan of logos, but it is what it is. Now under here is the good part. This is the monitor. Just comes in a little screen protecting thingamajig slip. It's nice that it actually has something that protects the screen here. I'll try to take this off. This looks like it has some tape on the corners here. Yeah. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of hard to pick it up. It's a little bit heavy. It is a very thin bezel around it, which is pretty attractive. This is the back side of the monitor. So it just has some specs, all kinds of different languages on there. As you can see. Underneath here is all the connectors, and the little piece of yellow or orange plastic is just protecting the daisy chain link, which I won't be using, so I'll just keep that on there. But yeah, there is 4 USB hubs on this. One is able to charge your devices. There's a HDMI port and a display port and 2 miniature display ports from the looks of it, and a headphone jack. Alright, so this is the monitor all set up. Looks pretty sleek. I don't have it hooked up yet, obviously. There's the side. That's the 2 USB 3 ports that I was missing the first time around, that I didn't show you guys on the first part of this video. Alright, so the next part, I'll show you what it looks like hooked up. So this is the monitor all set up and turned on, and as you can see here, the bezels are very thin compared to a monitor like this, which is also an IPS panel by AOC, the I2476 VWM. Compared to these bezels, there's no match. I'd never seen bezels this thin. That's just a little logo on the side here. And this monitor does all kinds of adjustments. You can move it up. Oh, try to focus this. You can move it up. You can move it down real easily just by the flick of a hand, basically. You can tilt the monitor to quite a degree. And it also turns. I won't do that here, but it also it tilts, which is quite a rare feature, I suppose. But yeah, right now, I guess this is a little self-promotion because this is my Flickr page. And I'll try to show you attempt to show you some quality of the monitor itself, which will be pretty hard because it is filmed through a phone, and you will never be able to accurately judge the calibration, the colors, the accuracy through an iPhone. I mean, a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. Even if it was a Hollywood camera, you wouldn't be able to accurately judge the monitor. But as you can probably tell, it's quite nice. It looks quite saturated through my phone, but in real life, the colors are not that vibrant. I just close the curtain there. And that flickering, that weird color banding you might be seeing, is just a side effect of the cell phone that I'm shooting with. It's not the monitor itself. Yeah, like I was saying, it looks very vibrant through the cell phone, but it is not this vibrant in real life. But yeah, that's just a little preview of the monitor. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and peace.